Picture this, it's 3 in the afternoon, your energy is crashing, and you're staring at that vending machine filled with processed sugar bombs. But what if I told you there's a cookie that could satisfy your sweet tooth while actually nourishing your body? Today we're diving into the incredible world of pumpkin oatmeal cookies that'll change how you think about guilt-free baking forever. I'm about to share something that completely transformed my relationship with desserts. Last fall, I was desperately searching for a treat that wouldn't leave me feeling sluggish and regretful. After countless kitchen experiments and more failed batches than I care to admit, I discovered the perfect combination that delivers pure satisfaction without the sugar crash. These aren't your typical healthy cookies that taste like cardboard. We're talking about soft, chewy perfection that happens to be packed with nutrients. Let me start with why pumpkin oatmeal cookies are absolutely genius for anyone trying to eat better without giving up life's simple pleasures. Unlike traditional cookies loaded with refined flour and excessive sugar, these beauties harness the natural sweetness and moisture from pumpkin, while oats provide sustained energy that keeps you satisfied for hours. The magic begins with understanding what makes these ingredients so powerful. Pumpkin isn't just a fall flavor trend. This orange wonder contains beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A for healthy vision and immune function. It's also loaded with fiber that helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those energy spikes and crashes that leave you reaching for more sweets. Plus, pumpkin adds incredible moisture to baked goods, meaning you can reduce added fats without sacrificing texture. Oats are the unsung heroes of the baking world. They contain soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol and keeps you feeling full longer than refined grains ever could. The complex carbohydrates in oats provide steady energy release, making these cookies perfect for pre-workout fuel or afternoon snacks that won't derail your healthy eating goals. Now let's talk about the supporting cast that makes these cookies extraordinary. Instead of refined white sugar, we're using natural sweeteners like maple syrup or coconut sugar that add depth of flavor while providing trace minerals. Cinnamon doesn't just taste amazing, it helps regulate blood sugar and adds warmth that makes your kitchen smell like heaven. Vanilla extract elevates every other flavor, while nutmeg brings subtle complexity that makes people ask what your secret ingredient is. The baking process itself is surprisingly forgiving, which makes this perfect for busy schedules. Start by combining your dry ingredients in one bowl while your wet ingredients come together in another. The key is not overmixing once you combine everything. Gentle folding preserves the tender texture that separates great cookies from tough, dense disappointments. Timing is crucial but simple. These cookies need just 12 to 15 minutes in a preheated oven at 350 degrees. You'll know they're done when the edges are set but the center still looks slightly soft. They'll continue cooking on the hot pan after removal, so resist the urge to overbake. This patience pays off with cookies that stay soft for days. Here's where things get exciting. Once you master the basic recipe, endless variations become possible. Chopped walnuts add satisfying crunch and healthy omega-3 fats. Pumpkin seeds contribute extra protein and minerals while creating interesting textural contrast. Dark chocolate chips transform these into indulgent treats that still qualify as better-for-you options. For my plant-based friends, these cookies adapt beautifully to vegan requirements. Replace eggs with ground flax mixed with water and swap butter for coconut oil or your favorite plant-based alternative. The results are just as delicious and inclusive for everyone at your table. Storage strategy matters more than you might think. These cookies stay fresh for up to a week when stored in airtight containers at room temperature. For longer storage, they freeze beautifully for up to 3 months. I like portioning them into single servings before freezing, making it easy to grab 1 or 2 without thawing an entire batch. The portion mindfulness aspect is where these cookies really shine. Because they're more satisfying than typical sweets, you'll naturally eat fewer while feeling more satisfied. 1 or 2 cookies with a cup of tea creates a genuinely satisfying snack that nourishes rather than depletes your energy. Sharing these cookies becomes a joy rather than a source of guilt. When friends ask for the recipe, you can proudly share it knowing you're spreading health-conscious indulgence rather than empty calories. They're perfect for school events, office gatherings, or any situation where you want to contribute something delicious that accommodates various dietary preferences. The beauty of this approach to baking lies in proving that healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. These pumpkin oatmeal cookies challenge every assumption about nutritious treats while delivering comfort and joy in every bite. Ready to transform your baking game? The complete guide with exact measurements, detailed instructions, troubleshooting tips, and creative variations is waiting for you in the description below. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for making this simple switch to smarter indulgence.